Hello there, guys and girls. Good evening to each every one of you. Hungry? Are you sure? So what are you waiting for? Come over here. Join me for my no, not lunch. Snacks. Be the first one to sip. Come on. Don't be shy. Open your mouth. This is root beer with float. And there's a Hawaiian Glee burger. And there's a French fries. Taste it. Oh, love it. And this one. Come on, join me for my now here I am again. Snacks. Okay. Tastes so good. Love it. Come on, come on, come on. I'm so hungry, guys and girls.